Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the fixture is dead with a non-contact tester. Safety first. Once confirmed, remove the bulb and trim assembly so you can see the can interior. Next, compress or remove any nearby insulation to give yourself a 2-3-inch access perimeter around the housing. This prevents accidental contact and gives room for tools. Make sure to inspect the socket type and mounting clips now, because the next steps depend on whether it's a remodel or new construction can. Now focus on fixing the loose housing itself. If the mounting screws or ears are loose, tighten them or swap in longer screws. When threads are stripped, replace with slightly larger screws or use a metal repair anchor. If the factory clips failed, install a retrofit retention spring or clip kit designed for recessed fixtures to reclamp the can to the ceiling. Once the can is seated, add non-combustible shims or a thin foam gasket around the perimeter to eliminate wobble and to reduce air leaks into the ceiling cavity. Finish by reinstalling the trim and lamp, then restore power and test the fixture for stability and proper operation. Gently press around the trim to confirm there's no movement. If you still feel play, shut power off and recheck clip tension and the anchor points inside the ceiling. If the light buzzes or flickers after tightening, make sure the neutral and hot connections are secure and consider replacing the LED driver or socket. That fixes most electrical-related movement noises and intermittent operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.